Whoa. So welcome back, you guys. Y'all know Black Friday just happened. So I went a little bit crazy when it comes to perfumes. Bath and Body, I bought 4 of their body sprays and I bought 2 additional perfumes on top of that. Did I need them? No, but I wanted them, so I was like, let me go ahead and get it. And these are popular perfumes and body sprays that are viral on TikTok, and I just want to go ahead and see what the hype is about. I'm just nosy at this point. So I got a body spray from Bath and Body that's really popular. I also got the new Kayali perfume. That one I did smell in stores, but I kind of forgot because it's been a minute. And then I also have the Phlur Heavy Cream Body Mist, because this one here, everybody and their mom, you know, keeps talking about it. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and spray them, let you guys know my thoughts, try my best to describe the notes to you guys, and we'll see from there. So the first one I do have is from Bath and Body Works. This is their Milk Body Mist. Now, when it comes to me, I love creamy scents. I love milky scents, and also like musk. You guys know I love musk scents as well. Now, this one is just like a very nice everyday scent is what I was going for. I didn't know what to expect because this was kind of like a blind buy. It was $4.85 per body mist, which is absolutely crazy. So I just wanted to get it and see, you know, what the hype is about. So let's spray this. And I also got some of the Sephora testers, or whatever you call this, the papers for fragrance when I went there earlier. So this, we're just gonna drench it, let it fan a little bit, okay? You guys know what I'm getting with this one? You guys know baby breath? Like, have you ever held a baby and smelled their breath after eating or after they burp? I don't know. I don't sniff it on purpose, but you catch a whiff of it. This is what it smells like, but it smells so good. And it has hints of, I can't pick up on what that is. And so on the back it says it is fragrance with notes of sugar, oats, and whipped milk for a creamy, cozy scent. And that's exactly what I'm getting. Like oatmeal, you know when you cook oatmeal in milk? This is what it smells like. But it's just so nice and comforting on the skin. And I feel like it has a little bit, just a very, very small amount of musk in there. So I want to figure this out. So I went on their website, or actually another website. And this is what it says on here. It says it has milk, oats, of course, we already know that, sugar, and whipped cream. It is just your base that you need when it comes to any perfume. This would be a great layering perfume. I'm gonna mix this with so many things. Yes, you can wear it by itself, but I feel like if you go ahead and mix this with any perfume that you have, I would say more so like your gourmand perfumes or your musky perfumes, even like your sweet perfumes, you can mix this together. It is just gonna be chef kiss. So yeah, I cannot stop smelling this. It smells too good. So the next one is the Kayali perfume. I still have it in the Sephora box. So let me get it out. So I actually got the mini one online, and of course, if I love it, I will get the big one. I just travel so much, you guys. It makes sense to have like a sample one, because the big one, where am I gonna take it? Okay, so with that being said, this is their Yum Boujee Marshmallow perfume. I feel like with this scent, because I did smell it in Sephora, I feel like it deserves a different name. Okay, the name Yum Boujee Marshmallow, I feel like it's not given what this perfume deserves, okay? Because let me tell you guys the notes. Strawberry, pink marshmallow, coconut, whipped vanilla, pink musk. Like if you just heard the word Yum Boujee Marshmallow perfume, you're gonna be like, well, do I need another marshmallow? But I'm telling you, this is so different because of the strawberry in there. Okay, so I've never gotten this packaging before. I usually get like the other one, but this is so cute. I really need to get the big ones one of these days, honestly. But this is what it looks like. It's a nice pink packaging with the top. Okay, it's giving bougie. So with this one, okay, it's a little tight now. So I'm gonna grab this and spray it. Now I'm not gonna spray too much. Okay, just a little bit. So, okay, one more. Okay. Let me tell you guys something. I'm now remembering why I bought this. Okay, it's been a minute, y'all. It's been sitting at my house. This, okay, When it comes to perfumes, I love musky, deep, heavy scents. I don't like your Prada, your Chanel's, like none of those. They're not my type typically. Now, if they did send it to me, I'll use it, okay, baby? But typically what I go for is for musky scents, marshmallow, firewood, like any musky scents you could think of, that's what I love. This is so perfect. And the reason why I'm saying that is because it is a strawberry creamy marshmallow scent, but it has that musk in there just a little bit. It's like a little bit in between, okay? It's not too sweet where it's like off-putting to me. This is just so light and airy. Just think of a strawberry milkshake. It smells so good. And you would think with something like this, you would only wear it in the springtime or like the summertime. But no, you can wear this in the winter and the fall. Obviously, it's more geared towards those seasons. But because it does have like those notes in there, which I will read to you guys. Let me see what it says in here. It says it has Italian lemon, apple, marshmallow, strawberry, coconut, orange blossom, whipped cream, sugar, vanilla, musk, raspberry. It's a whole concoction. But it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. This is going to be such a good perfume. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am obsessed. If you want to smell like a strawberry milkshake, okay, just yummy, edible, go ahead and get this. This is so good. And I've tried a lot of their perfumes and I love, honestly, the entire line. But this is even better than Pistachio Gelato. And that's crazy to say because I love that perfume. This is even better, in my opinion. So last but not least, we have the big boy. This one, everybody and their mom cannot stop talking about this. This is the Phlur Heavy Cream Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, okay? It has notes of lemon sugar, marshmallow, orange, jasmine blossom, coconut cream, vanilla mousse, salted caramel, whipped cream. This just seems like the ideal body mist. And I was like, you know what? I am tired of y'all on TikTok because every single video I see, everybody's like, you need to get this. You need to get this. So I'm like, all right, I got it. Okay, let's try it. And rate it 1 to 10. Okay. So this one here, I like the packaging. It's very simple, straight to the point. Now, I did get the big one because during Black Friday, they had 20% off. So it just made sense to get the big one. Now, I hope this is worth it. I hope it's different than anything I've smelled out there. I'm crossing my fingers, y'all, because if this smells like any regular body mist, I'm gonna be really upset at y'all because y'all told everybody to get this. Okay, so I have this one here. I've not smelled this one. I haven't tried it, nothing, y'all. This is my first spray. And let me see what it does. Wait. Okay, so when I first sprayed this, I was like a little shocked because in my head, I don't know what I expected. So when you first spray it, it's not gonna be what you think. It's gonna be a little bit spicy. You're like, what is going on? It's a little bit orangey. But when it settles, y'all, this is good. Not me being like everybody else. Okay, hold up. No, this is good. This is good. Okay. Heavy cream. Yeah, it's given that. It is given to me. Think about like a creamy lotion. Just creamy, edible lotion. And it has like, yeah, I can smell, what are the notes again? I can smell the marshmallow in here. The whipped cream, vanilla. It's just a very comforting scent. And you can mix this with a lot of perfumes if you have any or any body mist out there. It's so good. Okay. All right. Y'all were right. Y'all were right. I want to spray this on my body. Hold on. No, this is really good, you guys. The word heavy cream makes sense. When I saw the reviews, people were saying that they smelled a lot of the orange blossom or it wasn't creamy enough. I think it's very creamy, but once it settles, it's very creamy. If you love scents that are not too pungent, that are not too heavy, that are just literally edible on your skin, this is what you would go for. I just think of lotion or like whipped cream, like just something just sweet, but not too much sweet, because sometimes people don't want to smell like a bakery, you know what I mean? To me, it's more of like a grown version of a sweet perfume, because I think a lot of perfumes out there, they're just too sweet, too in your face. This is just, it's just right. It's just right. And you can layer this with a lot of, you know, perfumes and body mist. I cannot stop smelling this. I know my allergies are acting up because I sprayed all these perfumes, but I am so happy with every single item I picked up. I'm about to use the heck out of this. I'm so glad I got the big one. The Milk body mist from Bath & Body. This is so good. I know the words baby breath, all of that's a little bit scary, but go try it out in Bath & Body. Let me know your thoughts, but I think this is really good. And the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow perfume, chef kiss. Like, I did good. I'm proud because my perfume collection was looking a little bit scarce. Okay, I needed new stuff. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys do have these items, what do you think? Okay, I hope I described them well enough, but if I didn't, look up the notes and try it out and let me know your thoughts. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next one.